Good evening. This is Dave Adams, and today I traded the ES again. I was trading 3-minute charts today. I've got a 5-minute chart up to show you, just so that I could squeeze it all into one day, into one page. 6 trades today, and 2 were losers. I have 4 winners. It came out pretty well for me. First trade here had a real nice. A long trade, and I stayed in it. Usually I use my exits here when this divergence line on the MACD starts heading down. It's not the most scientific thing. I usually use stochastics as kind of a backup. In the event, I caught that big rise first thing this morning. I was up really early. I haven't got the trades up for that, but I was trading before the bell quite a bit, and it was actually more profitable than the day long stuff, although it was a great day to trade. So I was out of the box pretty good on the first trade, and actually did a stop and reverse trade right here, and that trade didn't work out very well. It never really materialized. Perhaps I was a little bit premature in jumping on it, but I did nonetheless. Ended up just even on it. Happy to get out of it. I didn't like the way the market was going. Once again, had a great entry long the Pearson 100, kind of entering what some would call overbought territory. Again, I'm a chaos theorist, and one of the basic premises is that people tend to overbuy and oversell. So the momentum usually takes it right through the overbought sale, and it's a great time to buy. And today was no difference. I exited about right here on that second bar. You can see a perfect fractal formation right here, and that was all I needed to see, and off I went. I took a short trade right here, and it was okay. I got some points out of it, but it wasn't a very pleasant trade. The darn thing kind of went sideways for a while. I ended up with 3 or 4 points here. I took another long trade that never ever. I got out of that trade with a loss. And then for the last trade of the day, I took a long trade right here, and it was a great one. It was about 7 or 8 points, so all in all, it was a real great thing. As you can see, I rely heavily on the CCI for my entries, and it's important. I've made a few videos now, and again, on these entries, you need to make sure that, number one, like here, you can see the line never really pierces, the minus 100. And kind of the idea behind all this is that everything between those hundreds is basically market noise, and I try to ignore it. And that's sometimes easier said than done, but when for example right here you see the market comes up, doesn't get through it, comes back down, tries again. There's a little gain there to be had, but basically it wasn't. Usually when the market's bumping the hundreds and shying away, I get a little gun shy. Usually there's some resistance there, as you can see right on that line is R1. And so I was hesitant to take that trade. I was a little more comfortable right here because it had cleared out some. So anyway, it clearly pierced it and was coming back through it, and I like that trade. As you can see, I like using this divergence line. It's a very simple method. Some guys have algorithms and everything, and I do. I have a program I've written. I trade with a lot, but gosh, just for scalping, just see, trade what you see, and don't trade the news in the market or anything like that. So all in all, it was a pretty good day. I've had 3 winning days in a row. Nothing wrong with that at all. So I had four trades. One was just about even, sideways at best. One was a clear loser, and another winner. So all in all, it was a great day. I invite you to visit my blog at http://www.eminimaven.com at WordPress. I talk about all these things all the time and all kinds of other economic twos. Stop by. I look forward to hearing from you.